Good morning. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 326 North Plymouth Drive in Los Angeles, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line. And the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure, lies underground, and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which are underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination does not focus on the building drain line system, so further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system. The licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. Alright, so I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 3.5-inch main sewer line cleanout on the left side of the building, and the main sewer line runs in a direct path from this cleanout to the center of the street. It's about an 80-foot run, just about 80 feet. So we've accessed the system from there. We've pushed all the way out to the connection to public sewer, and we're going to be shooting the video from public sewer back up to the main sewer line cleanout access that we had today. Now, immediately pulling away from public sewer, we are in a 6-inch diameter vitrified clay pipe. So the vitrified clay is a very common material for main sewer lines. It has a long service life expectancy. However, it is more susceptible to damage during earthquakes and seismic activity, as it is a more brittle material than some of the other materials that are used for sewer lines. It also has a tendency to let in roots at the joint areas. Now, immediately pulling away from public sewer, we can see here that piece of pipe right there is broken. That's a cracked pipe coming through there. And this is essentially just at that connection point of public sewer. Basically right in the center of the street. It's at a depth of about 8 feet deep. 8 feet 2 inches is the exact counter that we got on our equipment. So that section is going to need to be replaced. You can see there a little better of a shot there. You can see the whole crack along the side of the pipe. So that connection piece will need to be replaced. Now, continuing to pull away there, again, as I mentioned, we're in this section of vitrified clay. We do have a couple sections of root intrusions coming in. Nothing really excessive, but enough to indicate that the line will need to be cleaned. A couple spots there with those mortar dams. Now the roots come in just because of how the pipe's sealed. The roots are looking for water, and so they're going to find their way into the pipe because there's water inside the pipe. Now, the mortar dams occur essentially when they put too much mortar when they're trying to seal the pipe. And so a little bit of the mortar squeezes into the inside of it, and it creates essentially small dams of mortar, and those can catch debris and water. As long as they're not too big, not super significant, not enough to get actual repairs done on them. The crack is more of a concern than those mortar dams. Alright, so here at 54 feet, we're converting from that 6-inch diameter pipe into a section of 4-inch diameter pipe. We have another break in the line here, 52 feet. Just going to get a quick depth reading on this, one moment. Alright, we got our depth reading on that. This is at about 3.5 feet deep, about 6 inches to a foot on the property away from the sidewalk. This is also a section of pipe that's going to need to be fixed. The line at this point is in need of a cleaning. You do have those roots coming into the joints. They're not extremely significant yet. They're not causing any real blockage or damage, but they're enough that you should get this line cleared out. We're still in this section of vitrified clay, and again, roots in those pipes, which is a common situation, and so you're going to need to make sure that you get the line cleaned regularly. Alright, so actually what's happened here at 14 feet, there's actually a section of ABS plastic. So it looks like some of the line was replaced out with a newer plastic pipe. The ABS plastics are an excellent material for main sewer lines. They have a long service life expectancy. They're intended to be impervious to root intrusions. They have a smooth inner surface to make them efficient at washing out debris. Now, a little bit of an issue here is right at the clean out, the line's essentially mis-sloped, and you have this section here that's pretty much consistently full of water, which you shouldn't be having that. So it's possible that either due to drainage issues, possibly settlement of some of the ground, the line's essentially weakened, and you have a part of the system that is catching debris. Alright. Now, I'll get a photograph of this for the report. It's pretty much my recommendations at this point are going to be to fix the 2 breaks in the line and to get this section here where the cleanout exists fixed so that you don't have that misslope. See here, we're on the left side of the building. So with that, I'm going to be wrapping up the video portion of the examination for today. Once again, this is Victor Jimenez with Sewerline Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.